Hello and welcome to Super Science Celebration. Today we will be doing Kit D, Fireworks in a Jar experiment. You will need your food coloring from Kit C, so get that if you don't have it with you. For this experiment you will need, you will need kind of a jar or a big glass filled with water. I used a flower vase, but you can use a glass or a clear bowl or anything you can find. In your kit for this, you will see you have, open it up. You will have the oil, a cup, and food coloring. Hopefully you put that in from your last experiment, and a spoon. Good. Okay. All right, the first thing this is a very simple experiment. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour the oil into the cup. Carefully so it doesn't splash, okay?
All of it?
All of it. Good. Okay. Now you're going to take out the food coloring. Yes.
And we can choose whatever color.
Choose whatever color you want first.
How many drops? 10?
5 or 6, something like that. It's your choice.
Oh.
Notice how
3, 4, 5, 6.
you can do a couple more.
7, 8.
Notice what the drops are doing. Are they mixing in? Okay, let's put some more on, see what happens. No, some more different colors. Yep, put the cap back on.
They're falling down.
They're falling down.
And they're not like mixed.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, there. Let's do some
They're not mixing in, huh?
Let's do some more.
All right, so now, yes, take your spoon, mix it up, see what happens.
Should I mix it up?
Just mix it up like 2 times. Stir it 2 times.
1, 2.
Okay. Oh, what happened?
All the little big ducks turned into tiny ones.
Okay, now stir it some more. Listen carefully to this next part, because we had some fails, and we don't want you to fail. You can check out our fails at the end of this video. You want to keep your little paint, your food coloring drops floating. So that's why you want to keep on stirring before you pour the mixture in. Get your iPad ready to take a photo or a video. After you pour your oil into the water, you want to catch this on video or photo. Okay, so she's stirring here, and now she's going to quickly pour, but here's the thing, you're not going to pour the entire thing. Just go. You're going to pour most of it, but not all of it. You can pour quickly until you get to the end. There we go. Okay, so you can stop. There we go. If you pour the last little bit in, it'll start coloring the water, we've noticed. Ideally, yes, it'll look like this.
Look at mine and put it mine.
Beautiful. Notice how the drops of food coloring sink to the bottom of the oil and then continue to sink down into the water. Notice when they hit the water, it starts to mix again. That's because food coloring is based from water also. Be sure to take a picture or video of your experiment and share it on Seesaw. Good luck!
Wow! Oh! I'll get it. Oh no.
That's funny.
What is this stuff?
Okay, so we poured it in there, and you can see that it's kind of green. I think we made a little bit of mistakes. That's not what I meant for it to happen. All right, we're gonna start over again, see if we do better here. Pour it a little quicker now. Oh, it did mix a little bit.